sounds really fast and spinny.
Just like me. I'm spinning. Oh, I'm fast too.
Let's get to the site fast as well. Come on.
Okay. Rubble and Scratch are already underway.
Come on, Rubble. You're holding up the fastest thing around.
Sorry, everyone.
It's okay, Rubble. Where's Scratch?
He rushed down ahead, Bob, looking for dinosaur bones.
Scratch is going fast today, too. Well, follow us there.
Oh, Bob's machines go fast. Maybe I'd better go fast, too.
Oh, hi, everybody. I'm looking for a dinosaur.
Oh, well, maybe you'll find one today, Scratch. We have lots of digging to do.
Let's look at the plans. First, we'll clear the site and dig foundations. Then, cement in a big central post. Next, we'll lay the floor and put on the side panels. And last of all, we'll add the roof and the cars.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can. Oh, yeah, I think so.
Hello, Bob the Builder.
Hi, Bob. Tony Tobaromi here. I have some new designs for the flying cars. I keep changing my mind, but I think these will work.
Okay, Tony. I'll send one of my machines to pick them up. Bye.
I'll go. I'll be really fast, Bob.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Rubble.
Mr. Tobaromi, I came for the plans.
Here you go, Rubble.
Oh, yes! I'm going fast now. Whoops! The plans! Oh, no! That Seagull's taken them.
Oh, wow. That was quick, Rubble.
Really? Oh, but the plans are gone.
Gone?
Yes, I dropped them, and a seagull took them. I'm really sorry.
The seagull was probably looking for food.
Don't worry, Bob. I'll get them back.
It's okay, Rubble. Mr. Tobaromi probably has a copy. And we don't need them right away.
And when the seagull finds out he can't eat them, he might even bring them back himself. Let's just wait.
Wait, but then everyone will think I'm really slow.
Rubble! Can you move this pile of mud? Scoop will load you up.
Okay, Bob, just watch how fast I get things done. There, all done. Really fast. The seagull and the plans. I don't have to wait. I can get them back now. Come here, you naughty seagull. Oops. Did I do that?
Rubble, you shouldn't rush. That's how accidents happen.
Sorry, Bob. I saw the seagull with the plans.
We'll get them back, Rubble. Don't worry. But right now, we need to get this pole in and lay the floor.
Hello, everyone. Have you found any more dinosaurs for me to check in my book?
Not yet, Spud, but I'm looking.
Look! Oh, we're ready for the roof panels. Can you pick them up?
On my way, Wendy. Wow, look at Mutt go. She's fast.
Yeah, not like me. The seagull! I'm going to get those plans back right now. Rubble can get things done fast too, you know.
But, Rubble, maybe you should wait, like Bob and Wendy said.
Oops, sorry, Mark. Don't worry, Seagull. I'm stuck. Now I'll have to wait for help. Oh, I don't believe it. Now I've stopped chasing you. You've given me back the plans.
Rubble, are you all right?
Yes, Pop. And look, the plans.
Oh, no. I don't think these will be much use.
Oh, no. They're all muddy. I'm so sorry.
But what happened, Rubble? Why didn't you wait?
I was worried I was too slow to be in your team. So I wanted to get the plans back fast.
You might not be fast, but you are big and strong.
And that's why we love having you in our team. Isn't it, everyone?
Really? Oh, thanks.
Come on, Rubble. Let's clean up this mess.
I'll help. Maybe I'll find a dinosaur here. No dinosaur bones. I'm gonna look somewhere else.
Maybe you should wait a little longer, Scratch. Sometimes waiting is best.
Thanks, Rubble, but there's nothing here. I'm off. Coming?
Not yet. I'm going to stay here and wait until this is all tidied up. I'm not rushing any more today.
Did Scratch find any dinosaurs?
No, Spud. No. What was that?
Rubble, you found something. Oh, quick! It's a pterodactyl, a flying dinosaur.
My goodness. More dinosaur bones?
Rubble found them, Mr. Toblerone.
Good job, Rubble.
Not really. It was me who ruined your plans for the flying cars.
But that doesn't matter. I couldn't decide how to decorate this ride, but these bones have given me the perfect answer. Look, children, the Pterodactyl Express. Should we give it a test ride?
It was great that you found that flying dinosaur.
I'm sorry, Scratch. I know you wanted to find a dinosaur.
Yeah, but I didn't wait, did I? Anyway, I will find my own dinosaur. Maybe tomorrow's going to be my lucky day.